Hi guys, welcome you back to my channel Exploring MS. I'm Nilima and today I want to talk about something very personal to me. This is, something that I started doing a couple of years back. Um, I'm talking about meditation, and I want to speak about how meditation helped me with my MS flare ups. MS flare ups are not just the physical pain that you're going through, right? It also affects you mentally, right? It did to me also, because you are going through those kind of flare ups wherein you don't understand what exactly is happening uh, in your body, right? And there were flare-ups in a way wherein I would be walking, and all of a sudden my entire right side would just stop moving, even if it was for a couple of seconds. But I did go through that too quite often. And at those times this was just one attack. I had multiple attacks, and those kind of flare-ups, they just come and go, right? That's what MS flare-up is all about. And then you feel anxious, you feel stressed, you really don't know what is happening. And you have to calm your mind at that point in time, right? Because you don't know exactly what is happening. So it can be very annoying. And during that time I came across meditation. And how meditation helped me is, it helped me in calming my mind. Now of course, meditation will not heal my flare-ups, right? But it will help me mentally, maybe not physically but mentally. Physically, of course, I had to take steroids, I had to take, obviously, the medication. But meditation was my mental cure. Mentally, I was cured because of meditation. I started with guided meditation, so that's what helped me. And then eventually, I was so interested in pursuing it. I went ahead and I did a meditation trainer teaching a course too, wherein it was for a couple of hours, wherein, we were just taught about the breathing techniques and, what to do and what not to do. And, meditation brings you in the present, right? You are just focusing in your breathing. You are not thinking about your attack. You are not thinking about your flare-ups. You are not thinking about MS. You are just concentrating on your breathing. You are you know in the present moment, right? And those kind of thing, it really helped me. So I would again, this is my suggestion to MS warriors who are fighting with MS flare-ups or attacks. You need to calm your mind. And I think meditation is your best, or should be your best friend. Meditation should be your best friend if you want to cure yourself mentally. It will help you calm, it will help you think stress, it will help in your fatigue also, right? It will help you, not be stressed out uh, with whatever is going on in your life. It will calm you, and that is what is required. You have to be calm, you know to focus, right? And that's what meditation does, and it definitely has helped me. I would suggest, every one of you should start with the guided meditation. There are a lot of guided meditation which is available in YouTube. You could go ahead and search for a guided meditation and listen to it. In fact, I remember there were times when I could not sleep because of the kind of MS attacks that I was getting. I used to have those sleepless nights. I would cry myself to sleep a lot of days. And those were the times I used to fall back on sleep meditation so that I could get some peaceful sleep. Otherwise I could not sleep. There were days when I could just not sleep. You know, because I was stressed, I was worried about my future. So I used to think, or I used to listen to those guided meditation, and it helped me sleep. At least it helped me at least be better mentally. And being better mentally will help you in being better physically too. That's what I have realized, and that's what I'm suggesting to each and every one of you guys. I hope this video helps, and anyone who is going through MS attacks, or maybe anyone who's going through a bad phase in life, just anxious, stressed, please just go ahead and meditate. It will definitely help you. I hope you do that, guys. And lastly, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.
Strength I find in stories I share. Join me, friends, I know you care. Exploring, and together we